period of geopolitical tense relationship between the United States and Soviet Union and their respective allies, the Western Bloc and the Eastern Bloc, which began following the World War II. The term Cold War is used because that war was unlike other wars in which the two sides never clashed in battle. It is called the Cold War. The nuclear program of America was for the Cold War. After the bombardment of America on the Hiroshima and Nagasaki, Russia got afraid on her existence, so it also followed the same path to combat America. This led to the growth of the Cold War.
I do not agree with my friend. Western bloc ignore Russia interest about its defense. As the Second World War and the Eastern Alliance has started establishing our new territories. But Russia never asked how to the ruling their territories. But the Western alliances forced the Russia to hold forced elections and establish democracy in its territories.
I don't agree with these points. Willingness of Russia to enter into a war against Japan, although Russia agreed to declare war against Japan, but it was not willing and did not participate in this war. He could fulfill their participants and also many conditions by the allied nation. But declared war against Japan may not be when America attacked Japan with the atom bomb and Japan defeat. I agree with her points. According to Western Alliance, socialism and communism are responsible for the Cold War. It can be said that the roots of the Second World War started to develop at the time of Russian Revolution in 1918. On the other hand, the USA supported capitalism and liberal democracy. Russia always Russia always wanted to make the world a socialist place. It tried to diminish capitalism and liberal democracy in the world, and from there the Western countries and the USSR came in the front of each other.
But I do not agree with her point. After the France, after defeat France, when Germany attacked Russia, England and America considered their own interest to oblige of the of the of the second front to help Russia, which resulting heavy pressure and loss bond not won by the Russia alone, and it causes both heavy financial and human loss. Roman.
I agree with this point. America invented the atom bomb at the end of the Second World War. America and Russia were allied against Germany. Russia provided full support to the Western nations, but America did not reveal its having the atom bomb to Russia. Although England and Canada knew that, this secret defended the challenge and he treated it as a disgrace. I don't agree with her points. Anti-American propaganda by Russian communist activities in America. The Russian newspaper propaganda and invest Indonesia started propaganda against America even before the end of Second World War. So many critical articles have been published which offered America's government and non-government sector full of anger. The eastern country held Russia responsible of the Cold War during the constant of the extreme policy of the
Russia tried to control Eastern Europe after the end king of the rules. He did not remove his arms in Iraq. He also kept finishing all the about the Estonian policy.
And we can say that practically both countries are responsible for the outbreak of the Cold War. Cold War was designed against mankind the unnecessary expenditure in the armament production create a barrier against the progress of the world and adversely offered a country and prevented improvement in the living standards of the people. The principle whole world as a family was shattered on the rock of construction due to the Cold War. It divided the world into two groups, which was not a healthy sign for mankind. Finally, the Cold War disturbed the world peace. The alliance and counter-alliance create a disturbing atmosphere. It was a curse for the world. Though Russia and America, being superpower, came forward to solve the international crisis, yet they could not be able to establish a perpetual peace in the world. Thank you.
Thank you.